Here you're looking at an old Stihl 070. It's 106 cc's. It's one of the older ones. It does not have any type of kickback. No anti-vibration on this. It's just 070 all power. A couple of the newer features on here. Replaced the side cover. The other one was cracked when I bought it, so I got a new side cover on there. Still got the two big dogs for you to grip on. Some of the scuff marks from use, as you can see, doesn't hurt performance. This one has an automatic oiler, but you can put on extra oil if you're running a bigger bar. Like me, I'm running a 50-inch Woodland Pro milling bar. I also have a milling attachment by Panther Pros. I'll show you some wood in a minute. Also has a newer lower handle part here. The other one was broke right in here. Here's the on and off switch. This does work. I do have a newer plug in it, compression released, to help you pull it over. Choke. This is the throttle lock. Locks at about 50%, so when you're starting it up, it starts up a little easier. Some of the bigger features on there. Stihl. It's got made in Germany on there. I don't know if you can read that. Some sawdust that's fallen out from the last time I've cut. Again, very nice running saw. Here's the wood I cut. Just some slices, as you can see, just over 3 feet in length. Now the milling bar does not come with the saw. You actually get this 25-inch bar. As you can see, it's just about 30 inches. A brand new chain, never been used. The old one was too far gone. So you get a brand new chain, 25-inch bar. It's 404. Let's hear it run. It is cold. Here's the muffler. Get rid of all that. So, cold start. Let's see what we got. Choke out the sun. Usually never starts on the first pull. Kind of surprised about that. Usually I choke it, throttle it, and 4 or 5 pulls later it'll take off. So it likes the camera. Well, hope you like it. Ask me questions. Let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you.